Wasn't that amazing? This house is about 2,600 square feet, 2 bedrooms plus a den. Did you see that lap pole that kind of like went around the whole house just about? And then that luxury living on the other side with the waterfall. Wow, amazing. This home is going for 2.4 million. Not only are you buying the home, you're buying a lifestyle. So the community center offers fitness centers, dance studios, massages, all kinds of things like that. And not only that, this house is going to be sold with the furniture in it. Yes, I did say that. $2.4 million does include all the furniture. Now, the personal items you may be able to negotiate, but other than that, the furniture comes with the home. That's amazing. So if you would like to see this property, please let me know. Oh, did I mention this is a 55 and plus community? It's Regency at Summerlin. It's guard gated. It's fantastic. And the views, did you see the mountain views? Can't beat that. So I look forward to hearing from you. My number is 702-813-9454. And I'm excited to be able to show you this home. Bye.